Good morning, children. How do you do all? I hope by God's grace you feel good and joy. Welcome to grade 2 maths class. Okay, children, what we learnt in previous class, do you remember it? Yes, your answer is correct. We learnt about place value and face value of the digits and numbers in expanded and short forms. Is it, children? Shall we recall it? Okay, children. Our first example, write the place value of and face value of 4. Write the place value and face value of 4. See, children, what we learnt about place value? Yes, place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds. That means we want to write the position of the given numbers. Okay, children, shall we do ones and tens? So position of 5 is ones, then position of the number 4 is tens. Shall we write the place value? So place value of 4 is 40 or 4 tens. Is it, children? Next, we are going to discuss about face value. What we learnt about face value? The face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Is it, children? Do you remember it? Yes. So, what is the face value of 4? Same as the digit itself. So what is the place value and face value of 4 is, here the place value of 4 is 40 or 4 tens. Then face value of 4 is the digit itself. That means 4 only will come. Shall we move on the next one? See, children, here we have an example. Write the expanded form for the following numbers. What we learnt about expanded form? Do you remember it? Yes, the number is written as the addition of the place value of its digit. Is it, children? Okay, children, here we take that number 56. What we want to do? We want to write the position of numbers. Do you remember it, children? We always starts from the ones. We always starts from the ones. So, shall we write 6? What is the position of 6? Ones. Then what is the position of number 5? Tens. So, shall we write 50 plus 6? This is the expanded form of the 56. Are you clear, children? Shall we move on the next one? Here we have an example. Write the short form for the following numbers. See, children, what we learned about short form? Yes, when we add the expanded form, we get the short form. See, children, here we have a example, also expanded forms only. 70 plus 2. If we add 70 plus 2, what we get? 72. 0 plus 2, 2 only will come. Then 7 as well as we write. So if we add the expanded form, we get the short form. So 70 plus 2, we got the 72. Okay, children, we can also do the short form in another way. Here I take the example 80 plus 7. See, children, here how many ones are here? 7 ones. How many ones are here? 7 ones. Then how many tens are here? 8 tens or 80. 8 tens or 80. We have to write 7 in the below the ones column. We have to write 7 in the below the ones column. Next, we have to take the number 8 below the tens column. Already I thought for you, we always starts from the ones place. We always starts from the ones place. That's why we take the ones first. Then we write the 7 below the ones column. Next we take that number 8. Then we write the below the tens column. I hope you all very clear in previous class. Shall we move on the today's topic? Okay, children. Before we see the topic, we are going to discuss about few things. Look at the victory stand. Listen children, here who gets first position here? Yes, Sham gets first position. Is it children? Now can you tell who gets second position here? See, here is the second position. Who gets second positions? Peter. Yes, here Peter gets second position. Okay children. Who gets third position here? Yes, Joe gets third position. Joe gets third position. So, in number, first, second, third. That tells the position of something or somebody is called ordinals. Yes, children, today we are going to discuss about ordinal numbers. Are you ready, children? Okay, shall we move on the next one? Now, we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of ordinal numbers. A number defining the position of something in a series such as first, second or third. Shall we move on the next one? See children, here now we are going to learn about the ordinal numbers 1 to 20. See the first one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and then 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th. I hope you all understood the today topic. Now we are in homework sessions. Do the given assignment 5 in practice book. Refer practice book page number 13 and also multiplication table 4. Learn and write one time. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Thank you.